Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C Will back to you with another video. Man, I'm super excited today. Why? Because we got another tech of the day. The Corsair Essential Gaming Bundle. Man, this thing comes with the stereo headset, the RGB K55 keyboard, the MM100 mouse pad, and the Harpoon RGB mouse. Yes, I am super excited about this. But why? Because I got this from Best Buy and I can't seem to stay out of Best Buy. But I got it from Best Buy for a great deal for $69.99. Hopefully this is still on sale. I will put a link in the description below. But hey, we're going to go ahead and get into this video with a quick unboxing and setup because we are, of course, adding this to the Alienware Aurora R7. Let's get into this video. All right, hey, what's going on, guys? Look what we got here. We have the Essential Gaming Bundle from Corsair. So what we're going to be doing today, we're actually just going to be going ahead and getting rid of the original Alienware keyboard and mouse. And we are going to be upgrading to the Corsair, not only RGB, the K55 RGB keyboard, but also the Harpoon RGB gaming mouse, along with the stereo HS50 gaming headset. So we got a lot of stuff in the box here today. Again, I got this from Best Buy for $69.99. And man, let's just go ahead and just do this quick unboxing, and we're gonna do a quick setup so you can see what the RGB lights and everything looks like. And then in another video, we'll do an extensive review. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and clear this out the way. So we got a little tape here on the back. Ooh. All right, so we have the wrist pad for the keyboard. Got the gaming keyboard right here. Got the mouse pad. Man, you see how that's wrapped up? We got the gaming headset. Who needs manuals? And we got the mouse. So it looks like everything was packaged pretty good. And we're just gonna go ahead and close this box up, set it to the side. Man, I'm super excited because you buy a gaming system, which you can see the RGB lights on the side of Alienware Aurora R7, but you're really not complete until you get the actual gaming mouse, gaming keyboard, and headset, because that's just what we do. So I've been waiting, trying to find a good deal, and I found one. Found a great deal. And again, I will list the link in the description below. So it looks like the headphones, the padding, the cushion is pretty good. Man, this is dope. Looks like you have your splitter for audio. Got the mouse. It's RGB lighting right here. This is sweet, but you know what we're looking for? We're looking to see what this is going to look like when plugged up and turned on. Man, if you have your own gaming setup, definitely hit me up in the comments below and let me know what you got. And don't forget to follow me on social media. At Will Creatives, and that's for Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, at Will Creatives. And because I definitely want to see pictures of you all set up, and definitely want to know what you got. Let me know if you like what you have, if you're looking to upgrade. I want to know. Sweet. Okay, Corsair, I see. All right. So we're going to go ahead and lay the mat down. And as you can see, the mouse is lit. No pun intended. It's very smooth on the mat. Look at that keyboard. In all of its RGB glory. Oh, that's awesome. And I am actually going to cut the lights off here. All right, so I got the lights cut off here so you can see how good it looks. Man, that looks awesome. You can't beat that. Gaming mouse pad, the mouse, the keyboard, and the headset. 69 bucks. The keyboard, if you want to know the model, the keyboard is the K55 RGB. The mouse is the Harpoon RGB. The mouse pad is the MM100. And the headset is the HS50 stereo headset. And like I said, I definitely just want to do a quick unboxing. We'll do a full review at a later date in another video. But again, follow me on social media. Let me know what you got. Send me some pictures. And yeah, got a good deal. All right, guys, so I hope you appreciated the tech of the day. And man, we got some great stuff that's coming along the line. So we have some more upgrades that's going to be coming to the Alienware Aurora 7. So stay tuned. Make sure that you hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification, the bell button, so you don't miss any of the uploads. The next upgrade that we have coming to the Alienware Aurora 7 is the power supply. Why? Because we are getting ready to do something major with some of the new graphics cards that's coming out right now, RTX. So, hey, just stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.